Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to use COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Microsoft Excel and then you see total count type 1. So we are going to count the value by using criteria, using COUNTIF condition or function. Now you see total count. Now select cell. On top you see formula bar, so click on it, then write here equal, then write here COUNTIF. Now start bracket and then you see range and then you see criteria. So first we are going to select range. So this is our range. Now you see grass, fire, water. Now select cell C4. Now drag and drop like this. So we select C4 column C12. Now add comma and then you see criteria. So our criteria is grass. So we are going to count number of value of grass. Now select criteria and then you see F5. Now close bracket, press enter and then you see total count 3. So you can count 1, 2, 3. So grass value 3 times in type 1 column in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.